Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Welcome to Skin Secrets, a series by Femina, where we show you some of our favorite and most hush-hush skin secrets that will keep your skin healthy and radiant. Avocado face mask adds moisture and elasticity to extremely dry skin. Avocados are a good source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects your skin from oxidative damage. Plain yogurt restores the skin's pH balance. Mash 1/4 of an avocado until it turns lump-free. Mix it with 2 tablespoons yogurt. Gently apply this concoction on your dull and dry skin. Allow it to dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash off. Aloe vera is known for its moisturizing properties. It hydrates skin without making it greasy. It is suitable for all skin types. Lemons contain citric acid, a natural form of alpha-hydroxy acid that breaks down dead skin cells that lead to non-inflammatory forms of acne like blackheads. Honey draws out impurities from your pores. Its antiseptic and antibacterial properties also calms inflammation. Add 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, add 5-6 drops of lemon juice, add 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix well. Gently apply this concoction on your dull and dry skin. Allow it to dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash off. The flavonols present in chocolate protect your skin from harmful UV rays. It also hydrates the skin and boosts blood flow. Milk cream is a gentle moisturizing agent. Rose water has astringent properties that help clean the pores of oil and grime. Mix 1 tablespoon of melted dark chocolate, 1 tablespoon of fresh cream, and a few drops of rose water. Form a smooth paste. After cleansing and steaming your face, apply this paste on your face and neck. Keep for 15 minutes and wash off with lukewarm water. Pat dry. Pineapple is rich in bromelain, an active fruit enzyme that reduces inflammation and swelling. Honey has antimicrobial properties. Mix 2 tablespoons pineapple juice with 1 teaspoon honey. Gently apply this concoction to your skin. Allow it to dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash off. So guys, hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina. And also if there's any particular video that you would like us to make for you, then let us know in the comment section below and we'll try our best to make it for you. Until next time, stay tuned and stay unstoppable.